Let's talk spirituality. How does it apply? Or where should it apply in your life? My answer is everywhere. This is an issue that I see with spirituality today, is it's safe, it's sanitized, it's clean, it's separate. I grew up in a Southern Baptist evangelical church, and my parents, they put on their Sunday best every single Sunday. And it was the happy faces. We are the illusion of a happy family, no issues, no arguments, no yelling. And it was all false. It was all fake. There was very little carryover and cascade effect into our day-to-day. We didn't conduct ourselves with more responsibility. We didn't conduct ourselves with more control over our emotions. There was no upward trend. Spirituality should apply to every facet of our lives, every area of our lives, from how we talk to our children, to how we talk to our spouses, to how we conduct ourselves on meetings or within our jobs, to speak as if I'm speaking to another spiritual being, someone with an immense capacity for creation as well as destruction, as I do, understanding that I'm speaking with someone who has their own filters, their own perceptions that are marred or fuzzed by their lived experiences and are living through that paradigm. So when I'm speaking to someone, I'm listening to them through the view that they are a spirit, and I try to use my words appropriately. I try not to bullshit. I am very careful on what I say, in the sense that I don't like gossiping, or I don't like joking around in negative or self-deprecating manners, because I understand that even joking, I can influence and create realities around me that reflect and become a self-fulfilling prophecy. So I'm very careful about what the words I say to my daughter, to my friends, to my family, to my colleagues. Every act about my world is spiritual. The way I handle my body is spiritual. And the reason why everything is spiritual is because we're spiritual beings. There is nothing that we do as spiritual beings that is not spiritual. My body and my mind, they are encapsulated in this concept of a spiritual being. This concept of spirituality has to include taking responsibility for my body, and taking responsibility for my mind, and taking responsibility for the shared reality that I have around me. And so the question is, if you're spiritual, are you healing? Are you continuing your healing journey? Are you continuing to take responsibility? Are you seeking opportunities to take on more responsibility? Are you taking responsibility for your communications, for your emotions, for your shared reality? What are you creating between you and your workers, your colleagues? What are you creating between you and your wife? All this stems from a spiritual perspective. There is nothing that you and I do not touch that is not spiritual. And that's the riff today. And I hope you have a good rest of your day, good rest of your week. All the best. Take care.